Hello and welcome to today's edition. I'll quickly be guiding you through the page layout menu. So quickly, this is the page layout. I will be showing you margin, orientation, columns, watermark, page color, and page border. Now quickly, if you notice where this cursor is blinking is actually at the normal margin. So once you click on margins, you will just see it on normal. So let me quickly have a piece of text here. Now, having this piece of text, you will notice that the margin here is uniform, right? But you can also extend this margin to this point also, and it can also be extended to this side. All you need to do is just to get to the margin and select narrow. Now you notice that the margin has been adjusted. Now, you can decide to use any margin of your choice. You can choose it as moderate, either wide, mirrored, and Office 2003 default. Alright, so I will return it back to normal. Now, I will show you about the page orientation. A page can either be portrait or at landscape, but by default, it's always on portrait. So you can decide to turn it to landscape by hitting on this button. So you see the view of the page has changed to landscape. Now, back, I will return it again to portrait. Now, I want to show you columns. Now, this helps you to split text into two or more columns. But how will I be able to achieve that? All you need to do is to highlight the section you want to apply the columns to, and you choose the number of columns or custom the number of columns of your choice. So quickly, I'm going to highlight the entire document by pressing my Ctrl A, then get to columns. Now you notice on the default mode is on one column. So you can decide to say 2 columns, 3 columns, or you have a small column to the left and more to the right, or small to the right or more to the left. So you just get there by clicking. So you see this work has been splitted into 2 columns. Back to columns rather. 3, and is divided into 3 columns, or to the left, like in this case, or rather to the right. So this is how you can be able to make use of your columns. Now straight ahead, I'm going to delete this so that we'll be able to insert what is called watermark. Now, insert ghost text behind a content on a page. This is often used to indicate that the document is to be treated specially, such as confidential or urgent. Now, looking at this, you can see a template here showing draft. Now, quickly, I will click on this drop-down menu. Now, it's going to load and take me to where I can be able to insert this. Now, these are available templates or watermarks that are here. So you see things like don't copy, confidential, and like that. So once I just click on this, you will notice the watermark here has appeared. So quickly, you see the watermark here, don't copy. But how about you want to costume a watermark of your choice? All you need to do is to come to this place and say costume. But mind you, we have 2 different watermarks available. We have what we call the picture watermark, and we have what is called a text watermark. So you can edit it to what you want or costume it to your choice. So maybe I want to say this is a Metacama online computer special document. So I will just type in Metacama online computer now and just hit on the button OK. Now I can decide to change the font style. Maybe I want Times New Roman. Click on the drop down menu and go to what? Or preferably, let me just type in Times New Roman. Now you can choose the size. I will leave it as automatic. Do you want it diagonally or horizontal? It's all your choice, so I'll just hit on apply and say close. Now you notice that it has changed to what? Metacama online computer default here, though it's a little bit faint, but that's how you can do that. But you can also insert a watermark that is not text. So you can say I want to insert a picture watermark. So once you do that, it will allow you to select a picture from your computer. So quickly, I would like to do that. Go into pictures, get to my desktop, and look for a folder that has a picture. Quickly, I'll click on this one that says background. Now once it opens, I will just pick any picture of my choice. So I would like to make do with this. Once I've selected, all I need to just say is insert. Now once I click on OK, you will notice that this watermark has appeared on this document. So this is how you can insert a picture watermark. So you can either put a text or a picture watermark. So straight down to the page color, perhaps you want to page this color the page, you can just click on this and select on the color of your choice. Now this is showing here is because it's the watermark. So I can click here and decide to remove the watermark, so that I'm going to have a plain color here. So this is how you can be able to insert page color. You can go around and find the color of your choice. Now next I will be showing you is the page border. Now this is to add or to change the border around the page. Now on this default mode, there is not actually a page border. So quickly I'm going to click, and notice here is actually on none. So looking at the preview menu here is also empty. So you can decide to pick either a box kind of border. Now these are the styles that are available. Looking at it at the preview menu while you are doing this, you can drag down. Maybe I want to make do with this. It's now going to show me how it's going to appear. And you can also decide the thickness of the border. So let me reduce it to 1/4 of that. So I'll click on OK. Now as you can see, the border line has been inserted. But further again, you can insert clip arts borders, an art border. So you can decide to come to this place that says art. It's currently on none. So I can decide to click on it, and you can see variety of borders that are available. So you can select from any of them. So quickly I will just pick up quickly a flower. So I'll just have that. I'm going to have that. So this now has appeared like this. So this is how you can be able to insert a page border that has an art. So thank you for listening. Like and subscribe if you have not done this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.